Good morning, Piano Lab. It is Tuesday, April the 14th, and today we're going to talk about the key of A minor. So first of all, let's just talk about major versus minor scales. In a major scale, our pattern is whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. So for C major, I'm going to play that and we'll just listen to what it sounds like. If I play the chords, you can hear that it kind of sounds happy, would be one of a general way to remember major. Now, when we do minor scales, what's going to happen is we're going to start on the 6th step and follow a different pattern, which I'll go over in a different video. But I want you to listen to how this sounds. So this is A minor, and this is what it sounds like. And then the chords. So a general way that you can listen for minor is that it kind of sounds a little bit more sad than our major scale. So like I said, we'll go over the pattern a little bit later. For right now, all you need to know is that we're going to start from the 6th step to do our scale, and it's going to follow the same key signature. So C major has no sharps, no flats. A minor also has no sharps, no flats. This scale, the A minor scale, is called the relative minor to C major. So just going over this, every major key has a relative minor, and the key is that they have the same key signature. Okay, so that's kind of how we figure that out. And then remember, again, that we're starting on the 6th step and going up 8 notes. All right? So that pattern that we just played is called our natural minor scale. There are 3 different kinds of minor scales. We're going to go over 2 of those today. Natural minor is we just keep the key signature of our original major key. For harmonic minor, this is the second type that we're going to try. We are going to use the same natural minor scale, but we're going to change one thing. We're going to raise the 7th step. So this is going to give us a step and a half between these 2 notes, which sounds a little bit weird. So instead of going from F to G natural here and doing a whole step, instead we're going to do a step and a half. So I want you to listen for that while I play it for you. Okay, here we go on A minor, and we'll just go up. So could you hear how that was really nice and high? Let's listen to it one more time. I'll show you my fingering this time. Here's our step and a half. And you can hear how that's a little bit different than the natural minor. So the difference between natural minor is that natural minor follows the key signature of the relative major. Harmonic minor follows that key signature still, but we add a sharp, in this case, to the seventh note, which in this case is a G sharp. Okay? Just taking a look at that on the piano. Here's the next page here. And I will upload these PDFs so you can also look through them. But here's our C major scale following the notes. To do A minor, all we're going to do is start on that 6th and go there for the natural minor. So let me play those while you can watch here. Here's our C major. And here is our A minor. If we were going to change this A minor to harmonic, think for a second, what note will we need to change? Good, that note is G, and the way we're going to change it is we're going to change it to a G sharp. So I'm going to play this A minor scale again, but this time I'll play that G sharp to make it harmonic. Oops, sorry. Starting on A. Okay, so that's going to have that G sharp going into the A. On this sheet, guys, it says to also look at melodic minor. We're going to cover that later on, so don't worry about that for right now. Just focus on natural and harmonic minor. The last thing I want to do in this video is jump back over here to our first page and take a look at the fingering going up for each hand. So in the right hand, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the same fingering that we've had for the right hand for most of our other scales, for C major and for G major. And this fourth finger is going to still be fourth finger in melodic or harmonic. So here is, I'll show you both of them. We're starting on A. Here is natural minor with the right hand. 1, 2, 3. Cross under. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then here's harmonic minor. Again, same fingering. We're just changing to a G sharp. 1, 2, 3. Cross under. 1, 2, 3. G sharp with 4, 5. For the left hand going up, we're doing the same fingering that we've had in C, F, and G major. So it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cross, and then 3, 2, 1. And again, this is going to be the same second finger in either natural or harmonic minor. It's just that we'll change to a G sharp. So here is left hand. I'll come down here. We're going to play all 5 fingers and then cross over with our third finger. So here's natural minor. Cross over. Now we're going to do harmonic minor. We're just adding in this G sharp. Harmonic minor. Oops, sorry about that. Let me try that again. Harmonic minor. Here's where we play the sharp. Okay, so take a look at these 2 pages and answer the Google form with some questions covering minor keys, and then we'll continue on later this week. Have a good day.